always been one of my favorites. It's my Packard collector. I've gotten pretty lucky with some Packard hits. I got James Lofton out of 25 and a Jordy Nelson out of 25. So let's hope I get some good stuff out of this. Base. Oh, nice. That's a Doug Martin 3 of 10. Nice auto. Nice little hit. And Aaron Donald rookie. He's an absolute beast. I don't think it's going to get any better than that, though. 9 packs to go. Sky's the limit. Teddy Bridgewater. 21 out of 99. Nice. Show that freaking movie. Oh, what's this? Andrew Luck, 98 out of 99. All red certified materials. Not bad. And Josh Huff out of 999. That's the rookie. Immortals out of 999. More base. Let's see. Patterson, Blackman. Oh, here's the RPA. Oh, nope, just patch. Paul Richardson. Out of 299. Not bad. And Aaron Murphy, Sky's the limit. Insert. Geno Smith, Rob Gronkowski. Nice Jones, Manning. Dexter McCluster out of 249. Base. Smith, Philip Rivers, and gold. Retro. Interesting. Not numbered. Oh, I'm at Stafford. 3 packs to go. Vincent Jackson, Bradford. Shaq Evans rookie. 98 out of 99. It's a nice blue. I've always liked the color of the certified and stuff. They just pop when you look at them. And Pro Bowl insert for AJ Green, Tom Brady, Alex Smith. And the last pack should be one more hit. Yes, it is. So O'Shawn and Marquise Lee, freshman fabrics. Out of 6.99. Super short print on that one, huh? But I can't complain too much. Andre Williams, Bernard, Shad Jennings. Hit of it was this one here. It's got a nice little 4-color patch. Run right through there. Pretty decent looking auto. 3 of 10. Goes in my 3 of collection. I collect anything that has 03, whether it be out of 10, 20, 50, 100, 299. So this one's going to be a PC hit. Alright, so we'll go to Infinity next. And I busted a lot of Infinity this year. I've actually really liked this product. I even like the base cards in it. I've gotten some decent stuff out of it. Baldwin, and this is the base cards. Pretty nice, see-through stuff. Doug Baldwin. And a Paxton Lynch with that 3D-ish like look to it. These are not numbered. Oh, no, this is numbered out of 149. So Paxton Lynch. Infinity Potential. Infinite Potential. Oh, formerly of the Vikings. Adrian Peterson's Infinite Materials. It's actually a pretty nice looking patch on that. That is 1 of 8. That makes sense because it's gold and it's a really nice looking patch on that. Adrian Peterson, 1 of 8. And the dreaded Redemptions. 2016 Panini Infinity 72-point rookie autographs, Von Bell. We've got a Doro Green Beckham auto. This is numbered out of 188. Weird print run. And last card, base, Mike Thomas. Next, Infinity. So 3 autos, got 3 autos out of there. 3 autographs or what is it? 3. Find 3 autographs or memorabilia cards. You can see the auto there already. Alright, so we got Antonio Brown. Base. And we got a T.Y. Hilton out of 88. 76 out of 88. And this is my first time doing this, so this camera work's not all that great, so I apologize. Alex Smith Materials card, Season Pro Swatches. And this is out of 88 as well, 55 out of 88. And next up is a Laquan Treadwell, most likely patches, correct. Oh, this is out of 88 as well, 42 out of 88. Next is Wendell Smallwood. See, I really like the framed autos on this. I know it's probably on a patch or whatever, but I just really like how they look. They look clean in there. Nice open window. Plenty of room to witness the autograph. So that's Wendell Smallwood for the Eagles. 14 out of 288. And a Kurt Warner base. So nothing other than that Doug Martin for PC. Again, I cut Packer cards. I don't typically buy individuals. I like busting packs and getting a Packer hit. It's always kind of fun for me. When I got back into collecting in 2011, I bought a pack of Panini Prestige. Yeah, first thing I ever bought since being a kid, and I really didn't expect much. I didn't even know what to expect, and I hit a Aaron Rodgers memorabilia card. And that was pretty exciting for me, considering I hadn't collected in so long. So that's how I got back into collecting. That was back in 2011. So here's 2016 Black Gold. I've never opened this personally. I've seen a few boxes being opened, but I've never opened it myself. So I'm pretty excited for this. So here it is. Base looking cards. And you got a Drew Brees, 203 out of 225. Pretty nice looking. They pop. I really like those. Oh, here we go. What do we got here? We've got a Carson Wentz 4 quad patch. It's 218 out of 249. Looks nice. Black like that all the way through except for the white backing. And it looks like we've got a gold strike autograph of Randall Cunningham. And that is 59 out of 99. Get that up there so you can see it. Pretty nice looking autograph. Let me get the light a little bit better. Nice. And then a CJ Prosise memorabilia card. Oh, is that what's on that? 133 out of 249. And franchise gold. Joe Montana, Jerry Rice, Ronnie Lott, 6 of 15. That's a nice card. Grew up watching these guys play. killing it in Super Bowls. All right, last pack of this break. All right, so on top is a Joe Flacco, 6 of 25. Nice looking card. And up next is a Sterling Shepard, 4 plus football. So 3 jerseys and football. Looks like 109 out of 249. And it looks like I am going to be CJ Pro-sized out. Here is an on-card auto. Not a very good auto, as you can see. It is pretty faded. Not the best looking card I've ever gotten. That's 42 out of 99. It's kind of disappointing. And last but not least, a shield card of Russell Wilson, 1 of 10. So not a bad looking card there. It's chunky. It's chunky and heavy. It's very heavy on this right side. That's why I'm holding it on the right. I can't tell. I can't tell what. I don't know if you can see it in the camera or not. Let's see the light better over here from the top. I don't know if you can see that, but there looks like there's a chunk in there. It looks like there's a chunk right there. Can't tell what that is. Kind of weird looking. Not sure where that's supposed to be. And a rookie gold mine, 64 out of 100 for Wendell Smallwood. So black gold, not the best box I've ever seen. Did hit on this 1 of 10. Russell Wilson, again, this CJ Pro-size, he's plaguing me. He's like my Bilal Powell. 2011, it seemed to be all I got was Bilal Powell every pack. So 42 out of 99. Kind of disappointed with the auto. Sterling Shepard. He looks like he's going to be a pretty good wide receiver for the Giants. 6 of 25, Joe Flacco. And 6 of 15, the 49ers franchise gold. And my hand is blocking the light, so let me see if I can move that. Better look at that. There you go. And again, CJ Pro-size. And then you've got the Randall Cunningham autograph. And the Carson Wentz. And Drew Brees. Oops. Infinity on the bottom there. So I'm excited that I got him. Still haven't gotten his auto. I've gotten some Dak Prescott stuff, and then out of Panini Encased recently, and out of Panini Honors. Not a huge fan of the Panini Honors stuff. It's kind of cool when you hit on the original cards that they did for the Panini Honors. But I really like the Encased stuff, and I wish I would have. My local card shop had a box of that, and I would have just bought one of those instead of this black gold. But I figured I'd try the black gold. Not terrible. Not anything to write home about. Especially considering I got skunked on my PC, right? With the exception of the 3 of 10 from Doug Martin. I didn't get any Packer cards, which is kind of disappointing. Instead, I get a Viking card, 1 out of 8. So, I mean, 1 out of 8 is pretty cool. It's Adrian Peterson. It's, arguably the best running back of this generation. But 1 of 8, so not too bad. And like I said, PC hit. That's probably my best hit of the day. Doug Martin autograph, 3 of 10. Obviously, it's not. I was just looking to see something, but yeah. So Doug Martin, 3 of 10. PC hit, because again, it's 3 out of 10. All right, so that concludes this break. Hope it helps if you guys decide to try some of these 2016 cards. I really like the 2016 rookie class. I really think there's going to be a lot of good players out of there. So, again, feel free to let me know what you think of the video, and thanks for watching.